Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade. I'm coming at you today with a special card share. Last week I received a happy mail from Roseanne. She is Roseanne's Happy Crafty Creations here on YouTube, and she sent me a plethora of goodness in a box. A lot of it was gold, had a lot of gold accents, which I loved. And one of the items that she sent me was this Anna Griffin die set here, and it's called Wiper Card Dies, and it's a little cute die set that allows you to create a card that uses a little mechanism, or it's not mechanical or anything, but to pop up something that you don't see when you have it not fully opened. So it had all the directions in it. So whenever I try to create something that I read directions from or measurements, I always do it wrong the first time. That is just a given. I am the worst when it comes to measuring. I am the worst when it comes to following directions. A lot of times if I watch someone do something and if they're right-handed, it just doesn't commute with me very good, or connect with me rather, I say, very well, because I'm left-handed. And but this one was pretty easy. I followed directions clearly and was able to create the card. So first up, let me show you the collection I used. So a few weeks back, I know I shared with you when I purchased this majestic paper pad that I found on YouTube. This is by Prima, and I know I shared this with you all. It's a 12 by 12, and it just was one that I had never seen before when I purchased it. And you see I have some pieces in here where I made a card, and I shared that with you. So it's a super sweet set. And then I ordered some additional pieces to it. I got the rub-ons, which isn't this gorgeous flower, but it has 3 sheets in here, and I want to share with you each sheet. Oh, so these are so pretty. So being a person of color in the crafting world, you don't see a lot of individuals, that are dark skin, stamps that refer to dark skinned people. So whenever I see something that I like, I try to get it because, that's who I am, a dark skinned person. So, and then here's the ephemera, and I'll show you the back of that. And then the florals, which are gorgeous because they're, of course, Prima. And then the crystals, also gorgeous. And then some chipboard pieces. And I have used some of those in the card. So let's see the card. So first of all, if you've watched my channel for any length of time, you know I only use craft color card bases. That's something that I started like immediately when I started crafting. I just like the color and how it looks with other colored paper, and it's something that I do. I can't even remember the last time I used a white base card or any other base card. I always use craft. So my first thought was, okay, I'm gonna use craft paper. So here is my prototype that I made, and as you can see, the little piece that comes up here, that's the hidden little, surprise. So when I made this, and this is exactly the way it's supposed to look, I thought, well, this is kind of boring with all this brown. I do use craft color, but I usually have paper layers on it. But I just was kind of stumped at what I was going to do. So then I watched a video, and when you cut this out, you cut 2 pieces out. So you have the back piece and then the front piece. And the lady that I saw made the card, she used a different pattern paper for the back. And I said, oh, okay, that's what I'm going to do. So that's what I did. I used some of the pattern paper, and then some of the stickers and florals and goodies. And I think something is falling off here, so we'll fix that when I talk to you. So here's my card. So I think it's pretty. It's one that sits up perfectly. so it can be displayed. But when it's displayed like this, you don't see the little hidden piece. So one of my pieces, the adhesive, I think this set is kind of older set, and some of the glue on the chipboard was not very strong, and I should have went ahead and reinforced this on here. But this is where I had this. Just kind of seeing fierce here, not crooked, but I think that's pretty straight. Yeah, so fierce. And then I had the flower that came up, which, you know, this is real world here. My flower just fell off too, so this is hilarious. But anyway, I'll put that back on too. I'll show you. So I'm kind of, guess I'm creating a card as we speak here, instead of sending you a final project. So when you pull it up, that's where the mechanism comes up, but it looks like it's stuck. I don't know. Let's see. We may have to go back to the drawing board on this one. Let's see if I can get it to do what it was doing right after I made it and before I start filming. So I don't think I did that right. Yeah. Oh, so that's it. That's how it comes up. Then I put some little chipboard stickers here of the girls and this girl here, and then some of the jewels. So when it stands up, if you're looking at it, you can see the flower a little bit, but I don't have a problem with that. And then when you open it up, the flower comes up a little bit more. So I think even just as a standalone sitting up, and not even showcasing the wiper part, I think that this is a beautiful card, and it would look really pretty displayed. So let me know what you think below. I think it's just really awesome that I had to kind of repair it while speaking with you guys, but I know you could totally understand that crafting is not perfect, and so you do have to make adjustments. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Love to hear your comments below. Talk to you soon. Bye.